Hi, this is Ang. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to look at the process of installing Joomla. It's going to be a quick overview of what you need in order to install Joomla either on a web host or on your desktop. Okay, so there are three things that you need to run Joomla. You need a web server, and that's Apache. You need a database, the most popular being MySQL, and you also need a programming language, and PHP is what you need in order to run Joomla. Don't worry if the sound of PHP, MySQL, or Apache sound a bit technical. You don't need to know those things in order to run Joomla. If you're a new user to Joomla, make sure that you install Joomla on a web host. That's the easiest route to getting your website published and to start adding content. Okay, so now we know that we need Apache, MySQL, and PHP, but what is the minimum requirement? Well, in order to answer that question, we need to go to joomla.org, technical requirements, and once you go there, scroll down until you see the latest version of Joomla. This is Joomla 2.5. We're on Joomla 3x. So if you scroll down, you will see a list of the software, databases, and web servers, and the recommended requirements for each one. Okay, so now that you know the basic requirements for running Joomla, what we need to do now is for those people who want to install Joomla on their desktop computer, they need to go and install additional software. Therefore, for Windows user, you need to go to wampserver.com/en. This is the WAMP server website. Make sure that you type the en at the end of the URL, otherwise you will end up on the French version of this website. Once you're there, scroll down and you will see the description on how to run and install WAMP. If you're a Mac user, you need to install MAMP. For that, you need to go to mamp.info/en. Once you're there, you can download the one-click version of MAMP onto your Mac computer. Well, that was just a quick summary and overview of what you need in order to install Joomla. If you're installing Joomla on a web host, make sure that your web host meets the minimum requirements for running Joomla. In the next tutorial, we'll look at how to install Joomla on a web host.